and girls. I want to have a quick flight in here in the house and show you this Star Wars little X-15 TIE fighter or whatever the hell it's called. I'll tell you what, this thing, it flies really nice, okay?
Xwing engaged. Ready for takeoff.
Then you set the calibration right here on this button right here.
Systems check complete.
I wanted to take it and fly it up at the pool, but you know, I'm thinking maybe this might be a future giveaway, so I really don't want to take the risk. I'd like to take it outside, but the weather's just too shitty, you know. I don't want to go out and ruin it and crash it in the snow or something like that either, so you know, but it flies really nice. I'll tell you, I'm really impressed with the with this thing. It's very pricey, but you know, like I said, I got it for dirt cheap, so. But it's very nice, very nice. That's how you fire the guns when you have multiples of these hooked up. It has an app, and you pull this out and you can set up this little gun game where you fire, you know, fire the little taser or whatever the hell it's called. I think that might be Star Trek. I don't know. I don't give a crap. Anyway, then here's the rates over here. Whenever you go up and down on the throttle, you'll see the lights flash. See it? Yeah, I'd love to take it outside, but I just don't want it to. I just don't want to ruin the thing because it's so nice. It's such a nice collector's item that I'm not really interested in tearing it up. You know what I mean? So I'll just let you see it here in the house. It's a nice house flyer too, so. Real nice, real nice. It was well worth the 50 bucks I paid for it, believe me. Yeah, mowing him down. And they give you an extra battery with it too, so you get 2 batteries. That's in the low rate there. I just turned it down to the low rate, so. See, it's a lot more docile in the low rate.
Red 5, standing by.
Well, as you see that turn, I didn't get to do it fast enough because it was in the low rate. So if it would have been in the high rate, that wouldn't have happened.
Systems check complete.
We leave the crashes in, okay? We don't take out the crashes. But I'll put it back in the high rate so I can make the turns. The low rate, it's too much room to make the turns in the house. So you have to have it in the high rate in the house to be able to make a turn. See?
Red 5, standing by.
You can get it. It's got this altitude hold, but it can get sometimes a little they're all like that. You know, sometimes it can get a little squirrely, you know, with the altitude hold, but, you know, other than that, it flies nice. See, that's the reason I wouldn't fly it up at the pool. Okay? That's the reason I wouldn't fly it up at the pool, because of that, you know, I don't want to dunk that in there like I did that sharper image Skylab thing. You know, I don't want that to go in the damn pool, okay?
I'm on your ship.
See, it's very nimble in the third rate. Okay, so even if you do a flip and the thing starts getting away from you, it's nimble enough to be able to pull it back. You know, like that little crash into the blinds, it was in the first rate, and I didn't have enough room to make the turn, so.
The force will be with you. All the facts.
You see how nimble that is in the third rate, so.
Trust your feelings.
Yeah, it's a real nice collector's item, man. Real nice. Real nice. And I'm not even a Star Wars fan, and this thing's real nice. Flies nice too, actually. I would advise leaving these on because, first of all, they don't weigh anything. I don't even think that thing weighs an ounce. You know.
Watch yourself. Stay on target. The force will be with you. Always.
Okay, I think the low battery warning's going now, so. It advises in the manual not to run it too long past the LBC, so, or the low battery. So it tells you to take it down when that comes on.
Trust your feelings.
And it did it by itself, but whatever. All right, guys, it's a beauty. I recommend that thing in a heartbeat. As long as you can get it for what I paid for it. I wouldn't recommend it for $150 or $149 or whatever the hell. But, yeah, go to sleep. Yeah, I definitely recommend this thing. If you get it on clearance like I'd buy this thing. I'd buy another one of these if I could find another one. But when I bought this one, it was the only one they had. It was the last one. And I've never seen it like this. That battery gets real hot too, by the way. Now, them RPMs are really kicking on these motors too, by the way. So the battery gets hot. There's a lot of strain going on here. Yeah, like I said, I'd buy this thing in a minute if I could find another one of these for $50. No doubt. All right, guys. Have a nice day.